Hello, this is Ian Berry. I'm really fortunate, I'm blessed that I get to do work that is meaningful for me and yet highly valuable for you. I call this doing what we love for people who love what we do for them. The machines are taking over the repetitive and the routine work, and this is a wonderful opportunity for us humans because we get to do this kind of work that we love, and we get to do work that really puts joy in our hearts. Now, the pandemic, it's highlighted lots of things. One of the things it's highlighted is bad bosses who don't trust their employees, or they can't let go of command and control management. This is further good news because I know that many of you have actually increased your productivity during the pandemic. Doing what you love with people who love what you do for them is firstly about your own people leadership. This is the art of seeing, sometimes unearthing, but mostly enhancing and magnifying people's essence. That's our unique personal wisdom, and it's doing that for other people as well as yourself. And then it's about taking a blowtorch to bureaucracy and red tape and anything else that might be in the way of people bringing their best to their work. This is all about processes. I call it the 21st century management. Processes, of course, they include policies, procedures, practices, principles. They include systems and structures. They include ideologies. They even include assumptions. And the hard work, but the necessary work, is about making sure that all these mean it's simple for people to bring their essence to their work. And the third component is about purpose impact. Gita Ballon, she said, success depends on where intention is. I think that's just a wonderful insight. And when we know our purpose and we're able to work towards it, we realize that we need other people to help us to fulfill it and that we can help them to fulfill theirs. So these three pillars, people leadership, process innovation, purpose impact, they're all the key to doing work that you love with people who love what you do for them. In the Wise Leaders Workshop, I combine three distinctive ways to help you with this: signature storytelling, Sparkination conversations, and master mentoring. And you'll see in the various links that go with this video more explanation about that. I look forward to having the opportunity to do a workshop with you, or maybe you could join the We Need to Talk episode where we also use this distinctive way of working. Whatever. There's lots of information for you in the links that accompany this video. We'll see you next time.